Welcome to your My Offers dashboard. This is where you can bid on private seller inventory. When any HeyAuto user in your area indicates that they are considering selling their car, you will receive an email notifying you of a new inventory lead and with the notification bell at the top right. By clicking the link in the email, you will be taken directly to your dealer portal. This is where you can find all the provided information and photos regarding the vehicle they are requesting an offer from. Under Details, you will find the VIN, current mileage, condition, and any other notes the seller has left for the dealership to consider. The next tab over showcases all of the uploaded photos. We require that sellers upload a minimum of 5 pictures total to use the My Offers feature, and also advise that they include interior and exterior images. Once you've reviewed the vehicle, you can switch over to the Offers tab. We've provided you with a section where you can leave a note for the seller in regards to anything pertaining to the sale. You must select the checkbox agreeing to the terms and conditions. Now you can submit your offer. Enter the amount you are willing to bid here and press Submit. Remember to make a competitive bid, as they will be receiving multiple offers from other dealerships in your area. The seller will be notified of your offer. Notice that your status will now be changed to pending. The seller is then given a choice to either accept or deny your offer. Should they deny your offer, you will be unable to make another bid on the car. The next tab in the modal is the Global Chat feature. Once the seller has started a conversation with your dealership, you can now use our chat forum to communicate and work out any details you might need to clarify with the seller. The My Offers program runs in a 72-hour window, and you can update or change your bid at any time within the 72 hours. Please note the following table headers. Photo. This tells you the number of photos they uploaded. Offer ID. This is the corresponding listing number related to the seller's vehicle. These columns indicate the year, make, model, and the time remaining that you have to make an offer or update your bid. Once you've clicked over to the Completed tab, this will log all your history of past bids and whether you have won or lost the bid. Once a seller has approved your offer, you will receive a notification. You can now set up a date and time to get them into your dealership to perform your inspection and finalize the sale through our encrypted chat. The seller is then presented with an option to share their contact info with you to complete the sale. Only at the time that the sale is finalized will you be charged a $250 fee by HeyAuto. You can make as many bids as you'd like, and only in the event of a final sale will your credit card be billed. To finalize the sale, just head back to your My Offers dashboard, select the vehicle, and input the final purchase price you've paid to the consumer. And you're all done! Enjoy using the My Offers feature and accessing our private seller inventory.